This is quite a nice, simple but effective mid to late 19th century teak campaign mirror, and Anglo Indian in origin. It's quite nice because unlike most such mirrors, it stands out a little bit for this extra little line moulding cut into the frame and also the protective board. So to use the mirror, we can see that we've got angled feet here. We simply flip the protective board like that. That becomes a foot at the back, and the mirror can then stand at a nice angle because of the feet to the front. Alternatively, of course, say perhaps you're shaving, you can hang it off a hook in your tent at a nice height, which is convenient for shaving. So a good simple design, quite nicely made. The quality of a teak is quite nice. In fact, you could be forgiven for thinking that it might be mahogany on looking at it. And good mid to late 19th century Anglo-Indian campaign travel mirror.